The sounds of war coming, and we are far from grace. It's in our own country. We have a crazy neighbor, and all I feel is hate, and they have gone too far. It's nothing but destruction. It's all that they can give. Destruction and corruption. These animals are killing our daughters and our sons. They have no soul and feelings. Sounds of war, we'll not ignore. Stop this war. No more, no more. This war is never ending, and we will not forgive the violence against us. We'll fight for our freedom, and we're already winning. It's the Ukrainian kingdom. We'll fight for independence, for our clear blue sky. The enemy's nonsense. We're absolute beginners. Our warriors are great, and may the force be with us. Sounds of war, we'll not ignore. Stop